Happy New Year, Sheri Nation. How you guys doing? It's been a while. 1 second. Because it's Happy New Year, right? It's 2018. I've missed you guys so much. I'm sorry I've been a little bit MIA, but nilikuwa nafunga mwaka. How's 2018 treating you? Are you guys prepared for the year? Mi kusema kweli nilistukia tu, but we're here, and I have psych for this year. Yani, let's get to it. So, hair goals. Do you guys have goals for your year, first of all, in general? Because you should. And if you don't, please make some time and make them. Even though you're late, ungekuwa umefanya hii job November, yeah? But we should discuss hair goals today. So this is Lynn and you're watching Afro Sheri, where it's all about loving you naturally. So why should you have hair goals? Well, I mean, things don't happen just by chance. Sometimes they do, like some people stumbled on going natural by chance. Zile za, oh, nimechoka, mi nakata nywele. And then they're like, haya, kumbe there's something happening here. I can do something with this regular hair of mine. Yeah? But that's not how you want to roll into 2018, especially if you had intentions of keeping nice, gorgeous, beautiful hair. Now, I'm not going to tell you what goals to have, but I'm going to give you some guidance on what you should probably be, aiming for. 1, hair care. How are you going to take care of your hair? Now, I'll be honest. Last year, I was just, I failed. Failures, like epic failures, because my hair is a bit of a mess right now. Nimeficha na twists, lakini by the way, the ends are just dead. I have a colleague who's always complaining how my ends are just crappy. Na nataka tu akuje na makasi akate. And if I'm not careful, she just might do it. So yeah, and it's because I wasn't taking care of my hair. I wasn't giving it, regular deep conditioning. I wasn't, making sure I'm oiling it. I wasn't doing the regular trims. So this year, you need to set some goals for your hair care. Like for me, I'm just like, I'm going to do regular deep conditions. Regular meaning every 2 weeks. When I used to be a youngin' and I was on fire for natural hair, I used to do every week without fail. My hair was sexy. I miss those days. Lakini sahi, imagine, I'll be lying if I say I'm going to do that. But I'm going to try every 2 weeks. That's when it's open. And probably every 3 weeks, if it's like, now like it's twisted up like this. Yeah? And another habit that I definitely want to pick up on, or rather to keep going, is trims. You have to do regular trims. And imagine, I'm going to do a video on this shortly. We have to be doing our trims because imagine you can't be walking around with split ends and dead hair. It's just not going to work. And I'll tell you why. But you need to be doing regular trims. So regular hair, we're talking 3 months, every 3 months, every 6 months, depending on how fast your hair grows or how much stress you give it. You better be trimming it a bit often because it has more dead hair than the regular guy. Chick. You know what I mean. So, hair care is so important. Please make sure you're doing something for your hair that gives it some love. Or maybe it's oiling your scalp. Sometimes you're like me, you just, wing it and you don't oil your scalp for weeks. Don't be that person, please. You need to oil it every time you do your DC. And if you can, oil it every week. Some people even do, every 3-4 days and giving it a massage because that makes your hair grow. It stimulates the follicles of your hair and it gets it growing. Kama unataka ku-length chase this year, that's what you better be doing. Promise it works. It really does. Sawa. Second thing you should be thinking about in terms of hair goals is learning new techniques. Learn new techniques of handling your hair. Imagine, I've said this before, it's not so much about your products, by the way. Yeah? It's about how you take care of your hair, and it's about the technique you use for making your hair look pretty. For example, my hair, which is 4A, works very well with twists and twist outs. My twist outs always look bomb. I mean, almost always anyway. But for some other hair types, especially 4C, a twist out isn't always like the fanciest. The 3-strand twist, yani matuta alafu akatoa after mekauka, that always looks bomb for them. That for me looks like trash. I don't know why. Sijui, inakanga tu garbage. So I don't do it. Point is, learn a new technique that will be really awesome for your hair. So I'm talking Bantu knots or Bantu knot outs. I'm talking flat twists. Let me tell you what I'm Miss Jalan. And I'm even scared of making it a goal, but I'm going to actually make the effort to learn how to do a flat twist. They look really good. I mean, have you seen Shilandinda with her Kasiji crown thing? You need to check that video out. She has amazing, flat twists. But imagine it just takes practice, yeah? So roll, tuck, and pin. Roll, tuck, and pin is my favorite go-to style, especially when I'm trying to look all formal, official, nini. And it's not that hard. You can do it. So just pick 1 or 2 new techniques you want to learn this year of how to wear your hair. And imagine, first of all, it will expand the amount of styles you can do with your hair. You can even try learn the sleek bun. That should even be really pretty easy. And I know there's many tutorials online for that, yeah? Just like a 4 bun, you put all your hair up in a ponytail and you put something like Mali braid on top and you look so high-end. Na hujafanya kazi mob. Let's go out there and try and teach ourselves new techniques. I mean, it's all about learning new things anyway. Sindio? 2018 isishe kama hujalan kitu moja, please. Yeah? Thank you. And the final one that you should definitely try is document your hair journey. Take selfies of all those things you've tried to do. It's really nice that you look back and you're like, oh my God, nimetoka hapa. Before I used to, I swear, I have pictures of myself with my babe when I started. I'm calling it baby here, but I mean when I started out in my first car chop, and I looked horrendous. Ask my husband, and ananiangalenga nasema, please don't ever go back there again. But now I look at those pictures and I look at now and I'm like, man, I've grown. I mean, it shows you the growth. It shows you that you made it through that whole journey. It shows you the ups and downs. And plus, we need to see more of you beautiful, gorgeous women here in Kenya, here in East Africa with your natural hair, rocking it. So document it. Take those selfies, take pictures. Ask someone to take pictures of you, especially hapa nyuma kwenye wezi fikia. They take for you that photo. Just about everyone somewhere near you has a camera phone if you don't. So please document your journey. Sawa? So nimesema nini? Hair care, learn a new technique, document your journey. Yeah? And we're going to do it together because even me, it's a challenge for myself for 2018. So make your goals. And you know what? Please holler at me. Tell me, what are your hair goals for 2018? Are you length chasing? Are you curl chasing? Are you, looking out to look fancy this year? Are you going short? Are you coloring it? I feel like coloring is calling my name. So are you like me? You're just asking yourself, which one is it? Which one is it? When am I going for this treatment? And let me know. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment in the comment section. Tell me about your hair goals. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you better subscribe because I have so much going on coming for you this year. Yeah, and I will see you guys next time on Afro Sheri, where it's all about loving you naturally. Mwah, 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 mwah.